VMDC network settings. Configuring your network setup enables you to connect and have access to your virtual matrix system. To perform the setup, you must have the following information. To connect a virtual matrix unit, such as a VMDC, to your existing ViconNet system, first make sure you are connected to your network. You need to have the new IP address, your ViconNet system's nucleus IP address, and as an option, the name for your new unit. Note, the VMDC must be registered in order to operate. After launching the application, you are prompted with a username and password valid to your system. First-time users can use the default admin as the username and press the login button. No password is required. Note, the nucleus for your system must be up and running and the VMDC cannot be the nucleus. Enter the main setup screen by pressing the setup button at the top of the screen. Select your unit, which will be the first in the list, and press the select button. Then enter the network setup by pressing on the network settings and site name button on the system settings screen. Under the nucleus settings section, enter the correct nucleus IP address in the respective location. Remember, the VMDC unit cannot be your system's nucleus machine. Under the IP address settings section, enter the unit's IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway if applicable. If your system runs with DHCP, then select the Obtain an IP address automatically option. If applicable, make sure the correct network adapter is selected from the current network adapter. By default, time synchronization is turned on. Every system is continuously time synchronized with the nucleus. If there is a reason to turn off time synchronization for your unit, simply uncheck the box. Your machine will no longer synchronize its time with the nucleus. To change the unit name in the system, press the Change Name button located at the top of the screen. Enter the new site name in the space allotted. When finished, press the OK button. A message will pop up indicating that the change will only take effect after pressing the OK button on the main network settings screen. Press the Close button to continue. Check to make sure all the new information you entered is correct and press the OK button at the bottom of the screen. The application, or even the computer, will need to be restarted depending on the parameters changed. Press OK when prompted. The application or VMDC computer will now restart with your new network configuration. If the information was entered correctly and you are connected to the ViconNet system, it will show the name of the ViconNet nucleus at the top left of the screen, and a site list will display your ViconNet system's devices. If the system displays not connected, then you either entered incorrect network information or you are not connected to your network properly. Repeat these instructions to check the network configuration.